Morning, guys. We're going after winter steelhead today. Conditions should be pretty good. We're getting the raft out. We're going to get a float in, so I'm excited for that. It'll be the second float that I've done for winter steelhead this season. The last one, river was pretty high and muddy, pretty much was blown out, so didn't get anything there. We're picking up a buddy, and then we're going to meet another one at the river, and I'll see you when we get there. Oh, that's okay. I don't need to know the pattern. It's probably a random one-off kind of fish. I know the one. I know the one. I know the one. That's annoying. Okay. I don't like fishing that shit on the left. Yeah, I saw it. I think it's snagged.
What's up?
I think it's snagged. You good? Or you need me to move the boat? No. Calm down. That's it. Play it. Can you swing it off to the... No? Nope, let it. Dude, I think it's got sea legs. I'm trying to see. Yeah, it's wild.
Actually?
It's wild.
Why is that my line? That's okay.
Here, you want to hold the back of the net? Buddy. They're in the thing. I should be able to just get it by hand. Looks out. Done, dude. Look at that's a nice one.
Any pliers? No, we're good.
Beautiful fish. Just flop it out. Swimming away. And I'll anchor and we'll be in the soft water, alright? Just have it chill out. Watch that tree. Oh.
Chase.
What? Don't act like you've never caught a steelhead before.
Dude, I haven't.
You have. Yeah. Another wild, I bet. It's gonna be a orange bead day. Hey. It's wild. It's wild. Got a big adipose.
That's the same fish?
No, that's a different fish. Here, I'm gonna hand you the net.
No, like...
Well, good job. When are you gonna start getting fish we can bonk, dude?
Dude, I thought it was on a snag because we were going down, you know?
They're starting to wake up. They're starting to wake up. All right, well, let's do this again. Are you ready with that plug? I'm just gonna kind of ease us out and try and get us underneath this This tree here, and you just, once we start to kind of get in the current, just start letting it out. Let's try and get you on a fish today. Diego just wants to catch them all, I guess. I'm just kidding, dude. That fish was kind of in a weird spot. Dude, they're liking, I was gonna say, they're kind of liking that faster today, huh? Yeah, there you go. And kind of give it, pull on it a bit, and it should start to sink. And take it down to 40.
Taking the same distance to about 35, 40?
Yeah, 35, 40. Either one should be fine. Hey, on the right, on the right.
Go!
No. Don't set. Reel. It's still there. Reel. Now just chill out. Is it still there? Just keep reeling.
He's still there. Yeah, don't shut up.
No, you're good.
He's still there.
Yeah, he's still there. Yeah, just keep it tight. Keep tight to it. Yeah, give me a second. I gotta clear this other line.
Give me that rope.
Got it. Tighten that drag a bit.
Oh, God.
That's fine.
I gotta let it's caught on me.
That's fine.
Take your time.
Are you off him now? You might be off him now.
No, it's caught on me.
You still feel it? Because he's way down there.
Yeah. Your drag's not.
I've never used these reels. How do
Big
I?
star drag.
There we go. Okay, that's it.
Reel. There you go. Wait, is that too tight now?
Is your thumb off it? Yeah, that's too tight.
It's too tight. There you go. Come on, Alex.
And just slowly lift.
Easy.
Let it run.
Is that too tight now?
Dude, I just backed it off so much. Yeah, that's good now. No.
Should've got that one too.
I got the bead on there. I don't think you're in it anymore. Yeah, you're not in it.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to get. I'm just letting you.
All right. Lift.
Let's go.
I think it is, but I want to make sure before I lift it up. Yep, hatchery fish.
Let's go, boy.
All right.
Give me some slack. Push on that button. Yep.
Let's go out here. Yeah, that's just saying myself.
Yeah, so they said that's what the drag.